Hey my dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Latest Fashion. Today we are sharing our top tips for keeping your longboards looking their best. First, let's talk cleaning. Use a soft cloth and gentle leather cleaner to wipe away dirt and stains. Remember to remove excess water to prevent water spots. Next, condition your boots to keep the leather soft and supple. Apply a high quality leather conditioner evenly, evenly, paying extra attention to seams and creases. Finally, protect your boots from the elements with a leather protector. Apply a thin layer evenly to prevent cracking and fading. And that's it. With these simple tips, you can keep your long boots looking great all season long. Thanks for watching. Before we dive into the outfits, let's talk about the history of leather jackets. From military roots to fashion icon, leather jackets have come a long way. Now let's talk about the coat shoes. From styles and sizes, we will cover it into. Fourth, we have an edgy elegance outfits featuring a leather jacket, dresses, and coat shoes. Now let's talk about the styling tips, tricks, and evaluate your leather jackets and coat shoes game. First, we have a chic commuter outfits featuring a leather jacket, white shirt, black trouser, and a coat shoes. We have a stylish streetwear outfit featuring a leather jacket, graphic tee, distressed denim, and coat shoes. We have a sophisticated professional outfit featuring a leather jacket, blouse, pencil skirt, and coat shoes. That's it for today's video. I hope you find inspiration for your own styling. Remember, leather jackets and coat shoes are versatile and can be dressed up or down. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. So friends, thanks for watching, for subscribing, and for your beautiful comments. We will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.